talk about division of decimals. So in division of decimals, as you can see in our two given, we have whole number divided by decimal, a whole number divided by decimal. So what are we going to do is the divisor and dividend must be the same. So if it is whole number, let's make the divisor whole number. So we move decimal point 1 unit to make it a whole number. So this will become now 15. So if it is 15, so from here, 350, you move decimal point here. So it becomes now 3,500. So this will become 3,500. Okay. So 3,500, this is now 3,500 divided by 15. So we can treat it as whole number now. So you have here 35. Let's have the first two digit. 35 divided by 15. So how many 15? How many 15 are there in 35? So there are 2. So 2 times 15 is 30. So we subtract, and that would be 5. Okay, and this would be 50. So 50, so we bring down the 0. So you have here 50. 50 divided by 15. So how many 15 are there in 50? So 50. In 50, there are 3 15s. So 3. So 3 times 15 is 45. So you have here 5 and bring down 0 again. So 50 divided by 15, this is also 3. So 3 times 15, 45. So you have 5. So as you can see, if we continue the process, that is just repeating. So our answer yields repeating decimal, wherein 3 is the repeating. So since 5 is less than 15 now, we add the decimal point here. Since 5 is less than 15, then you add now 0. Again, since 5 is less than 15, you put decimal point now. So you put decimal point here as well. So here's the decimal point. So the decimal point here are aligned. Okay. Why is that so? Because 5 is less than now 15. So there's a need to add more 0 to make it larger. So we bring down 0. But as you can see, we repeat the same process. So it might yield, or it will, so the result is still the same. So this will be 3. So if we continue the process, it will become 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So if we round up, so our answer here will become, so to finalize the answer, you put vinculum in the repeating number, which is 3. So 3 is the repeating number here. So you put a vinculum here. Now, if your math teacher instruct you to round off 2 decimal places, the other answer is 233.33. So, if the instruction says round up to 2 decimal places, that's the answer. If there's no instruction that says you round up, you put the vinculum on the repeating decimal. So this is our answer. Next, let's have number 2. So 0.12 or 12 hundredths, 240 divided by 12 hundredths. So you have decimal point here, 0, 0, 240. Now, to divide this, we need to make them the same. So since it is decimal, you move 2 decimal places to make it a whole number. So if you move it, you move the divisor as well. So 1, 2. So from 240, it becomes 24,000. 24,000 divided by 12. So we divide now. So this 2 times 12, or we have the first 2 digit first. So 24 divided by 12 is 2. So 2 times 12 is 24. So you have here 0. Okay, now there's no remaining number here, so it becomes a 0. So what will happen? What will happen next? So you bring down 0. So 0 divided by 12 is 0. Okay, you bring down 0 as well. So 0 divided by 12, 0. And you bring down 0 again. So 0 divided by 12 is 0. Okay, so you have now, so 24,000 divided by 0.12, 24,000 divided by 12 is 2,000. Okay. So this time, we have no decimal places because the result is exact. So no need for us to have this kind of answer because the answer is exact, no remainder. So our answer is 2,000.